Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be learning how to make business cards in Photoshop.
Okay guys, now we'll be creating a new document for this, and I'll be using millimeters instead of pixels. So on the height I'll be using 51, and on the width I'll be using 80. So make the resolution 300 and the color RGB, then click on create. The new document appears. So now we'll be working on designing on the document. The next step is creating a solid color for the background. So click there and click on solid color. We will be using a darker shade, but that is not black, but a kind of a dark blue shade. So you can see the color code there that I'm using. After that, the next thing to do is click on OK. Choose a shape tool and choose a triangle. With the triangle, okay, you can choose to create a new layer from there, or you just work on the shape. I'll be drawing a triangle and I'll be holding the shift key while I drag, so I'll have a perfect triangle. Then I will increase the size. So I'll be changing the color of the stroke for the triangle. And after that, the next thing is to rotate it, making it to be pointing to the left side, and I will introducing a ruler so that it will be well aligned, because I'll be duplicating the triangle. I'm trying to work on the stroke, dragging this up. I would hold on the Alt key while I drag it out, so this automatically duplicates the triangle. After that, I also hold on the Alt key and drag out to duplicate it again, and then move it to face the opposite direction. I will also do the same thing, Alt drag, and it duplicates for the other part of design. Just go on your layers panel, select all the layers and Ctrl T. After selecting all the layers, Ctrl T, then you can then drag it out. So you can see, because I introduced a ruler for this design, I'm not able to see that one of the triangles is not aligning well. So I've aligned it to match other stuffs. I'm introducing a logo for this business card, and the logo is black, so I want to make it white so it will be visible. Select it, go on adjustment, go on image, on adjustment, and select hue and saturation. On hue and saturation, take the select on colorize and slide it all. Next thing is the text tool. So basically, this ID card only contains just the basic information of this business, which is the business name, slogan, the business color, the business pattern, and the business logo, and also the name of the owner of the business. So this is just me trying to add the business name, but your own ID card you might want to include more information on you on your own business card. Sorry, I've been referring to business card as ID card. Sorry. So on your own business card, you might want to include more information about the business, like listing out the stuff business do, maybe basic stuff. If the business is about, let's say, graphic designs, you might want to have stuff like on the list there. We might want to have something like we offer services like say printing, logo design, branding, blah blah blah, and blah blah blah. Well, that is optional. That is optional. So I won't be adding those to this design. So now I'm just introducing a design pattern for it. I'm just trying to align it properly and erase out the parts that I do not need for this. Well, for this is just the front of the business card. After this, I will also work on the back of the business card, which will contain a little more information about the business and what services it offers. You can subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon to get notified when I upload contents. So guys, I'm through with the front side of this business card. Now moving up, I'll just turn off some of the layers that I do not need for the back design, and then work on the back design. I need the background color, the business logo, the business name, and also I will leave my ruler there so my stars align properly. So this is the back of the business card, and I will include more information about this business on the back side. So some of the information I will include in the back side of this business card is the contact, that is the phone number, the email address, the website, and also the location of the business. So I'm just introducing a logo, and I'm trying to select all the logos that I'll be needing for this. So I've selected all the icons I'll be using. And now I'm introducing some of the information for this hypothetical business card. So after that, I'll select all the icons and group it by clicking Ctrl J. Then I'll create a solid layer, then clip it to the group of the icons to give it a different color from the color of the information they show. So right here we are through with the back of the business card.